In this video, I'll show you how to use Snapchat on your Apple Watch. I'm using the Series 10 to demonstrate. As you may already know, the official Snapchat application is now available on the App Store of the Apple Watch. So to install it, we just have to open the App Store, search for Snapchat and download the Snapchat app from here. After installation, tap on open and now as you can see, it shows the yellow Snapchat logo. If I tap on it, nothing happens. If I swipe up, nothing happens, and even if I swipe left, right or down, nothing is happening. So now you might be wondering what's the use of this Snapchat application. Well, allow me to show you. You see the Snapchat app on the Apple Watch directly syncs with the Snapchat on your connected iPhone. So if I launch Snapchat on iPhone, the watch will sync to it and it will load only the AI chatbot that's available on Snapchat. You can see here, a couple of chats are active but it only shows the chatbot. And if I tap on it, it opens the keyboard or voice typing. It won't show any chat, even with the AI bot. I can only start conversations with it and even then it won't show the conversation. So to get incoming messages, I'll need to lock the iPhone. And now I'll receive the Snapchat reply as a notification. If someone sends me a text on Snapchat, then I can view the message from the notification and reply to it. But remember, you'll have to tap on the reply button to send a reply. If you tap on the notification itself, it'll just open the app with no means to reply and the message notification will be gone. Now you might say that replying with notification is already available on the Apple Watch. So what's the use of this app? So let me show you. I'm gonna delete the Snapchat app from the watch and it's gone. Now if I receive any text message, it won't show me the preview and notifications. It'll just show that I have received a text message from a friend. So the only use of the Snapchat application on the Apple Watch is to show the text you receive on Snapchat. It lets you reply to them and you can start a conversation with the Snapchat AI. That's it. It can be useful for someone but for me, it's not very useful. If you found this video informative, then leave a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable videos. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.